How to add links to your YouTube channel. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for youtube.com. Now, make sure you are signed in to the account in which you want to add links to, and now tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen, and in the menu that appears, you will see the YouTube Studio option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to on the left side toolbar, you will see the customization option. Tap on that and now scroll down and you will see the links tab. So tap on the add link button you see there and now go ahead and enter your link title and then enter your URL. Finally, tap on the add link option and then tap on the publish button you see there on top of your screen, and with this the link will be posted. So this is how you can add links to your YouTube channel. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.